System malfunction. Hardware and software checks complete. All systems operative.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cease. Welcome, robot fans, to Robot Wars at Bonfire Night Special. What's here for robots, everybody? Maelstrom is going through to the final melee. But who be else training Maelstrom? So thanks so long here time second. So we have the minis next. Mini footballers, mini spiker. Let's see what'll happen. Oh my god, 4 and me at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cease. First mini spiker. Up next, we got another 3-round melee rounds. We've got our nice champion Gravity takes on Manta, takes on Dave Bot V2. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cease. When it's Gravity goes through to the final against Maelstrom. Already about. Up next we got our featherweights. We got Spiker, Small Nippler, Long Mini Flipper, and 0. So it's already in the pit. Spiker Tatooine. Oh, Tatooine knows number like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cease. really long for basically. There's one match. Right, coming up next, your final 3-man melee, which we have Grave Digger, Mini Lifter, and Tornado. Okay, well, let's put Tornado with Grave Digger and Mini Lifter. Let's see how we can actually handle this match. Tornado flipping Mini Lifter, Mini Lifter flipping Tornado. Grave Digger, it's all up to winner. Ooh. Whoa, Tornado push me out of here. In final 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cease. What's that for robots? Tornado is the winner and going through the final. But before the final, let's start with the finale with something else takes on Half-Life 2. So for Melee, let's see who wins. Okay, Half-Life 3 lost his front scoop. The side panel. So now it's starting to quit. Now he has to Half-Life was trying to push us away. So now his wheel is out to winner. Now he's back in. So now it's closed, it's only one was closed, it's on closed, off there. We want the pits. Oh no, the side almost came off. The pits is now opening. Half-Life in the pits. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cease. The winner is tough as nails. Okay, coming next to the final, which is Tornado, Online Champion, Grave Digger, and Maelstrom. Okay, final of the game, and Tornado already pushed out Maelstrom. Tornado physical gravity. Let's wait to become the Bonfire special. Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cease. Gravity is a Bonfire special. For final time, let's have a final melee, which will feature 4 takes on Atomic. Here we go. The final melee 4 versus Atomic. Who's gonna win the final melee here on Bonfire Special? We're gonna see who won Bonfire Special, but who's gonna take the final melee spot in this match? Who's gonna win? 4 or Atomic? Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cease. I hope you enjoy Robot Wars 2015 at Bonfire Night. Atomic won the final melee. Grave Digger, Gravity won Bonfire Night. Next time, we'll make you cross the show, which will main event will be Greatest Mystical Revenge or something else before that. So I hope you have a good time. If you like, comment, subscribe for more Robot Wars in the future. And goodbye!